Hi, you guys. It is Sunday. I don't even know the date because I'm so tired. It's February 8th, and I am in the parking lot of Walgreens, and I decided that I should film because they have some really good deals this week, and there was a motorcycle that just went by. Anyways, they have some really good deals this week on Persil, Ajax detergent, and also aluminum foil, and what else? The Ziploc bags. And I decided to film because I wanted to show y'all so y'all can run out and go to your local Walgreens and get those deals. But anyways, so let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so the first deal that I'm going to do is on these nice sandwich bags, and these are really good. I like to take them at work, put my sandwich in on my fruit, but it's buy one, get two free at $2.79, and you can pick literally anything in the nice products. So let me see, I usually get one of these, let's see, and then I'm going to get probably a freezer quart bag and probably one more of these sandwiches back because I put a lot of my fruit in this, so I'm gonna do that. So you buy one of these at $2.79 and you get two of them for free, you guys. So that is actually a really good deal, and I always stock up on those. And also, so the calculations for three of these, it is 93 cents a box. So that's really good for a 50 count bag. And there's 20 and then another 20 if you want, but here's the overview before I go to the next deal. Alright guys, so the next deal that I'm actually going to do is on the nice aluminum foil, and I don't care what anybody says, this brand is the best. Like, I used to use Reynolds, and I don't know what's the difference. It just feels the same to me, but I really like this, and it's cheaper, so it's 99 cents, and you can get a limit of 4. So they're originally $1.99, which is 2, so I think there's only 2 right now, which is fine because I have like 5 at the house. So, I just dropped this. I was going to get this and then the other one that I just dropped, and it'll only be $2 for 2 of them. Alright, you guys, so the next deal that I'm going to do is on this Persil. It's originally $7.49, but this week is actually on sale for $4.99, and there is a $2 off coupon, making it only $2.99. So this is the coupon that we just got in the newspaper today, which is the 8th. So make sure you go and get your newspaper. And then also, if you have a Walgreens rewards card, you can clip that coupon also. And just put in your number and it will take $2 off, making it still $3 a piece. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. So the best deal of the week is on this Ajax Classic. There's like 3 different kinds, but it is 99 cents. They're originally $2.79. And I am going to get 2 of these, and these are actually really good. I got them the first time like a couple of weeks ago, and they are amazing, you guys. So go ahead and grab that. Like, run to the store because these are great deals, like, not gonna lie. Alright, you guys, so I am back home, and it was actually a good haul. So I spent $14.32, and then my point balance right now is 670 points. So we are going to just quickly go over everything that I got because I'm not sure if the music was so loud that you can hear me, but Ajax were originally almost $3. It was like $2.70 something, but they're on sale for 99 cents. So I bought 2 of those. I could have got more, but they were actually only had 2. The Persil was on sale for $4.49. Regular price was $7.49. There is a $2 off coupon that we just got in the newspaper today on the 8th. And also, if you have a Walgreens app, be sure to clip that $2 off coupon, making them only $2.99, so $3 a piece. The nice bags, the Ziploc bags, were buy one at $2.79 and get two for free. So each box will end up being 93 cents or less than 93 cents. All right, and then aluminum foil was at 99 cents, originally $1.79, I think. And they're only 99 cents, and there is a limit of 4, so I only got 2 because there was literally only 2. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all love couponing, if y'all like these kinds of videos, because I would do more of like the one store, the best deals of the week, something like that. And don't mind the stuff in the back because I got to take that to Goodwill. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe down below and let me know what kind of deals you are going to be doing this week. And I hope y'all have a blessed week this week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.